Hello, I'm Alexander. Today I will show you how to get more value from your message queues by connecting Kafka to it. The thing I love about MQ is its assured delivery of messages between applications. But what if you could get it even further? Imagine instantly identifying new customers who spend over $100 and delivering personalized promotions in real time. By combining MQ and Kafka event streams, you can supercharge your retail strategy, driving engagements and boosting sales. Stay tuned to see how this synergy creates seamless, data-driven marketing that keeps customers coming back. In order to get insights and create an event in Kafka, first you need to clone your queue to another queue, because the moment it will be consumed by an application, the message is gone from it. So you need to make a clone of your queue and then connect this cloned queue to a Kafka cluster. Let's take a look at what we have right here. At the moment, we have 3 queues. And the queues we are most interested in is this payment requests queue, because all of the orders in our system are stored in this queue. So let's take a look at one of them. So Kelly bought a tennis racket for a price of $140. All right. So in order to make a clone of this queue, we need to make another one and then stream all of the messages from the original queue to a new one. So let's change the configuration of this queue. And to do that, we need to click on this Edit button. And you need to go to Storage and then just pick the name of your queue. Let's say it's going to be named to Kafka, because we will stream messages from this new queue to a Kafka cluster. Let's copy the name, save, but we don't have this queue yet. So in order to make it work, we need to create a queue. In this case, we will go with a local queue with the default parameters. We don't need a description, we don't need to change the depth of the queue. So let's just give it a name and hit create. And in a couple of moments, we should see messages being cloned to this new queue. Right, and as you can see, we already have messages here. So let's take a look at what we have here. So Philippa bought a tennis racket for a price of $120. And now we need to start streaming messages from this queue to a Kafka topic. But first we need to create one. Okay, let's go to our Kafka cluster and create a topic. So this topic will be named orders. You can search for the topic you just created from here. Or there is a topic, but we don't have messages here yet. So to do that, we need to create a Kafka connector. To create a Kafka connector, the only thing you need is this YAML file, and this will be provided. So just copy it and go to your OpenShift console. And from here, as you can see, I already have one Kafka connector, but I need to create a new one because the name of the Kafka topic and the MQ queue is different. So let's just hit plus and paste the YAML file right here. Let's say that the name of the MQ connector will be MQ connector 1. And the queue to get messages from will be to Kafka, and the name of the Kafka topic to produce messages to will be orders. And let's take a look at what we have here. Let's hit refresh, and as you can see, we have how many messages? How many messages is that? It's 8 messages, right? But the moment we will create this Kafka connector, all of the messages will be gone because they will be consumed by a Kafka topic. Now we created the connector, and from here, if I will hit refresh, all of the messages will be gone. Wonderful! And now you can see that all of the messages were consumed by this Kafka topic. Now you need to connect to this topic. And to do that, you need to click on this Connect to Topic button. You need to go to Internal, since it's installed in the same OpenShift cluster in my case, and you need to generate Scrum credentials. The next thing you need to do is to go to your event endpoints. From here, you need to add the topic you just created. To do that, you need to click this Add Topic button. I already have connected to this cluster, and that's why I got these topics pre-installed. But the one that we just created got another name. Its name is Orders. Let's search for it. Let's click Orders and add this topic. Now you need to change the details of this topic. Click this Edit Information button and just give it a simple description like events generated by the customer management system. An event will be emitted for every new order that is made. And for tags, let's just go with orders. And for the contact email, let's just go with orders@focus.corp. Let's hit save. And the next thing you need to do is to generate credentials for both topics. To do that, you need to go to this catalog and click on Orders and generate access credentials. Let's provide a contact detail, and in our case it will be marketing@Focus Corp. Let's generate credentials, and I would suggest you to write them down to your note-taking app. And after generating credentials, you can see that you can try to import it to your Java code or your Node.js code, because dependency will be pre-built for you. And the last thing you need to do is to create an event streaming flow. Let's see the flow I just created. So in that flow, I have 2 event sources, and to add a new one, you just need to drag and drop this event source on the canvas. And these 2 event sources are very straightforward. It's just all events from orders topic and all events from new customers topic. We need to filter it a bit because we need only orders which are more than $100. And to do that, you need to filter all of the events using this tool. And the expression for this tool is very, very simple. It's just prices over $100. That's it. After that, you need to join both event sources into a single stream. To do that, you need to use this tool, interval join, and you join in it the same way you do in any SQL language. So you just need to match customer ID from filter large orders event source and new customers event source. That's it. And the last thing you need to do in this event stream is to output all of the filter events to another Kafka topic that is being consumed by a loyalty app application from our marketing team. So, marketing team will get insights from all new customers who purchase something that's more than $100 to offer something like a bonus loyalty or a promotion to them. It's just a very good insight because you can get additional value, you can get upsells from it. So that's it. And the next thing you need to do is to run your flow to test that it's working. So let's run it and include historical events. That's it. Now we got events streaming from the event streaming flow to another Kafka topic that is consumed by a loyalty app by our marketing team. Let's check it. This is our topic. It's called loyalty app. And as you can see, we have new events here. Congratulations! You just connected MQ to Kafka, and now you get additional value from your messages. You're not just transferring messages from one application to another, but you added value to it. You get more insights from your messaging, and now your business is much more productive. Thank you very much for being with me, and if you would like to see a demo like that in person, just drop me a message, schedule a meeting with me. I would be happy to come to you and present this in person. Thank you very much. Bye.